Hi everyone, and welcome to Introduction to VFX with Houdini series, Learning the Basics. In this course, we will learn about SideFX Houdini, the industry standard 3D application. I will show you how to get started from the ground up. We will learn everything from downloading and installing the free version of the software to learning the basics that made Houdini the industry standard in visual effects in film, TV, and video games. I was previously a visual effects artist for a feature-length animation studio and worked on many feature films, including The Book of Life, Freebirds, and Rock Dog. I've also worked on many special projects, including Universal Studios' Despicable Me The Ride, Ice Age: A Mammoth Christmas, and many more. Please join me in learning about this great piece of software and starting your journey to make stunning visual effects. I'll see you in class.